Can a keyboard this incredibly thin and light truly deliver a real mechanical gaming experience? We're diving deep into the V808 to find out if this compact contender lives up to its big claims. Right out of the box, the V808 Gaming Real Mechanical Keyboard makes an immediate impression with its super thin and light profile. Seriously, it's designed for portability, making it an ideal companion for anyone who needs to take their setup on the go, whether it's for a LAN party or just moving between rooms. The material is plastic, which certainly contributes to that feather-light feel, but it doesn't feel flimsy. One of the biggest draws here is its sheer simplicity. Forget complicated software or drivers. You just need to insert this mini keyboard into any USB port, and you're ready to start typing or gaming. That plug-and-play functionality is a huge win for convenience, especially when you're switching between devices like a PC, laptop, or even a gaming console. Compatibility is broad, which is always a plus. Now, let's talk about the real mechanical aspect. This isn't some membrane imposter. The V808 boasts genuine mechanical switches, promising that satisfying tactile feedback and responsiveness that gamers and typists crave. For a keyboard this compact, getting true mechanical keys is a significant feature. It's designed for efficient data input, and those mechanical switches really do make a difference, providing a crisp, precise feel with every keystroke. The small size isn't just about portability, it's also a game changer for desktop real estate. This mini design takes up significantly less space, which means you can finally use your mouse comfortably right next to the keyboard without feeling cramped. For gamers who need wide mouse sweeps, this extra room is invaluable. It's a compact mechanical keyboard, and it truly embraces that description. While it comes in just one color, the focus here is clearly on performance and practicality. It's a wired connection, ensuring a stable and lag-free experience, which is crucial for competitive gaming. The model name KCDKBSUD might be a mouthful, but the experience it delivers is straightforward and effective. So does the V808 deliver? For its size and price point, this compact mechanical keyboard offers an impressive blend of portability, plug-and-play ease, and genuine mechanical performance. It's a fantastic option for anyone seeking a space-saving, responsive gaming keyboard that doesn't compromise on the core mechanical experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.